Mr. Venkatesh, you can unmute now. Please unmute you. Yes, you are online.
Happy morning, sir.
Yeah. Happy morning. How are you doing, Mr. Venkatesh?
Happy morning, Mr. Manikandan, sir. Sir, actually,
yeah, you can ask.
Yeah, sir. Actually, my question is that regarding gas fee, sir.
Hmm.
Whenever we are placing an Mindtree ID, the cost would be around $1 to up to $8. Yesterday, it was around 110 gas price. My question is that is there any regulator controlling that? Because while placing an ID, we are costing that. While level up in the sense, it would be around below $1 only. Are you getting my question, sir?
Yes, 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 sir. Yes.
Can you please explain, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually, what is your question is, if I am transferring one Ethereum to another person, my transaction fee is not that much. But if I am placing a registration in Mindtree, I am charging around $1 to $6. Why is it happening? So what I tell you people is, if I do one transaction, it is just a transaction between me and another person. Okay. The transaction will complete once if the receiver will receive the coin. But this smart contract is a registration between person to person. Like if I have been into the project, if I have done, if 0.07 will go to this person, it is already registered in a smart contract. I have registered 0.07 should go there. You just take up like a land registration. You're going to register a land, or you just take up. You're just going to give 10,000 rupees to your friend. If you are going to give 10,000 rupees to your friend, there is no charges for that. If you are going to register 10,000 worth of land to your friend, you are going to register. So for that registration, you have your registration fee, right? We all know that. We have a registration fee for that. So both are a transaction of 10,000 rupees, but still it differs. Transaction is differ from the smart contract call. Smart contract call is a registration, which it is a transaction made to a register in the smart contract. It is registered in the ledger. Actually, why is that the rate is so high when we do the transaction? Why do we? You asked a question that I am getting $1 to $6 as a transaction fee. Why is it increased? How is that increased? So people know and may not know, 51% of people who are mining in Ethereum are US people, because it is an US project. So at that time, when US people sleeps at the night, they will reduce the data, they will reduce the electricity, because they want to have a good sleep. So at that time, it is in India, that is a daytime. If we are doing it in an earlier day, it is like 10 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. That time you will be there will be more congestion in the around the world. There will be more people using these transactions. So at that time, there is a mining which is going to happen slow. The traffic will be more. So if the traffic is more, the transaction fee will be raised, because the electricity power as well as the data consumption will be high. So that it is an auto-generated, so the price value is growing. So these are the reasons why the Ethereum's gas price is rising up. So after into this 2.0 upgradation, these things will not be any issues.
Mindtree is a separate body, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If it withdraws from blockchain, is there any problem for us?
Actually, I couldn't.
He says, suppose, see, Mindtree is a website, separate, and it's a separate entity. Suppose the Mindtree is withdrawn from the blockchain, what will happen to us? Suppose the Mindtree website is blocked, or somehow it is stopped. If that is the case, am I right, Vaidiswaran? That is your question,
yes, sir,
right?
Yes, sir,
yeah. So if that is blocked, and that is stopped, or that is withdrawn by somebody, or somebody it is hacked. So it's a good question, Vaidiswaran. Yeah, Manikandan, yeah, your answer, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, as you asked, sir, Mindtree is an entity. They are a group. They have organized this program. Why do they organize this? They want to give this project to the world. So they are organized. They have given us a beautiful project. If the Mindtree's website is crashed today, even then you can do the smart contract from your Trust Wallet. How? By creating your own website, sir. So website is just a virtual part where you can see your tree structure, where you can see your commission. But the entire process is happening in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a blockchain technology oriented wallet which you have a private key. Private key in the sense you have your 12 words. Sir. That 12 words is the main thing which you have to be confidential as well as secured. If you're having the 12 words secured, your Ethereum cannot be hacked by any people. So if the what I can say is, if the Mindtree website is crashed, even then also this program, this Trust Wallet will be open. This Trust Wallet will always be there. If the internet is there, Trust Wallet will be there.
Yeah, I would like to add, yeah, Mr. Madhisan, I would also like to add, as Manikandan said, Mindtree is only a viewer website. It helps you to view what is happening. Let us bless you. Tomorrow you have 50,000 teammates in your team. Okay, so 1 lakh teammates in your team, and you want to start a YT tree, Vaiteeswaran tree. Okay, you can start a Vaiteeswaran tree for your own team. That's it. Because the smart contract will never change. It's in the blockchain of Ethereum. So can Ethereum be blocked? Not possible. Can that blockchain stop? Not possible. Anybody can stop. Even Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin is the person who brought the blockchain of Ethereum. If he wants to stop, he cannot stop. He can only modify. He can only give better. That is what is happening right now. Version, yeah, better version can come, but it cannot be stopped at all. Can Bitcoin be stopped? Everybody tried actually. It's not that they didn't try. All the agencies, all super computers, everybody tried. 11 years it crossed. Ethereum crossed to 6 years. Okay, so Mindtree is only a supporting system. That's it. What is the benefit of people who are managing the Mindtree? They would have started first. Yeah, they would have started first. So this entire benefits will be going to them. They'll be enjoying that. So as long as it is going to continue, as long as we people join and under us people are joining, they are going to enjoy the whatever creators, they are going to enjoy it. So it is maintaining a website in today's world is a very inexpensive part. It's not expensive at all. So it will run automatically. Okay, it's a good question, Mr. Vaiti, sir. So calling from Maharashtra, which city, sir?
In Satara.
You are calling from Satara. Superb, sir. Okay. You can ask your question, sir.
I have to know that actually now blockchain and Ethereum blockchains are gas fees are getting high and high day by day. Exactly last 2 months they are preparing to test conducting. Actually, if this possibility, how much day it will be clear? If it is Ethereum is day by day increasing. Exactly date and time none other are saying that it's not proper, but exactly if the same gas fees rate is increasing day by day, actually stay or when will it release at a certain level? Can you tell as per your Ethereum knowledge and blockchain knowledge?
Yeah, Mr. Manikandan, please.
Yes, sir. Actually, your question is a nice question. As I say, this is going to rectify it in the nearer future because the upgradation going to happen. The 2.0 is going to be in another 2-3 months. So that upgradation is only based on the transaction, as only because of the gas fee is high. So this upgradation is going to take place. So for this, what is 2.0, sir? Why it is going to approve? So this is called a proof of. It is already Ethereum is called as proof of work. Actually, it is working in the. It is working in that system only. Now it is going to be upgraded as proof of stake. So which blockchain is already running in. So now Ethereum is going to be a proof of stake in the upcoming month. If it is upgraded, from that time, transaction fee, that is the gas fee, would be around 4 or 5 rupees as of Indian rupee.
Yeah.
So it will be 4 or 5 rupees to just 10 rupees it will be. So you don't worry about that gas fee. Only this time
No,
it will
but
be
actually, sir,
nearer
When
future.
he's asking about when can it happen? Can you say
Yes,
a
sir.
date? Can you say a date?
Actually, I can't say a date because it should be upgraded from the person who have invented this.
yeah,
So
Italy.
they are going
Italy,
to
Italy.
test and trial. They are going to test and trial this week and the coming week. If it is very much
yeah,
okay,
we
if
are
it is
educated, but most of people does not know that prefer how to, because if I have to transport something 300, 400, whatever may be, but same
yes,
amount is getting the double of it. And actually
Yeah,
now
exactly.
metallic they are actually Ethereum is a 2.0, yeah, 2.0, I don't know, but various people are telling
2.4.
that 4th July it's as a, either it is taking a test or yeah it's a launching or somewhere. I'm with
No,
connecting.
actually, yeah, Mr. Magesh, what happens is expected period is somewhere around September.
Yeah,
It has been right from January. Now testing is going on July, August. 2 months is a testing period because
yeah,
it's a
yeah.
huge blockchain. So it is a
Yes,
testing period. As Manikandan was telling, it is going to be a proof of stake from the proof
yeah,
of work. Okay. So what they are also
Yes,
exploring is one more opportunity. Now
huh,
every block, the Ethereum, when there is a proof of work happens, it's going to
yeah,
every block. Instead
yeah,
of that, they want to segregate the
yeah,
blocks.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
what happens?
yes,
The thing will be very quicker and as well as the less expensive. So
Yeah,
when the proof
my
of stake is going to, yeah.
Sir, I have one question regarding this smart contract. As I understood, the smart contracts are not irreversible and immutable, you said.
yes, sir. Yes,
See, once the smart contract is designed,
yes,
on progress, because any contract, it may take us a little updates or any changes on going process. It may require some time. Okay, I believe because of the any contract there will be some flaws or any small negative things. In case once the smart contracts are designed, if it is not immutable or irreversible, is there any chances to do that updations or alteration? Is it
Kind
possible?
of
no, sir,
upgradation.
no.
Yes, sir.
No, I understood, but there is no mode of upgradation or no mode of modifying into a smart contract call. If that smart contract call is executed, if my smart contract call is executed, I
Okay.
cannot modify that at any cost. If I am giving that 0.07 to you, that will be a smart contract call. If you want to modify, what you have to do is just want to come again. You just want to register to me like that. It can be reversible, but it can't be remodified at any time.
Okay.
Once it is stored in the ledger, it will be stored in the ledger.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Yeah, super. So, Manikandan, do you want to add anything else for the people who are doing this wonderful Mindtree contract? Do you want to add
Yes, sir.
anything?
Actually, what I like to share is, and we have got a very supportive system like called Mindtree today, where we can grow and multiply our coins. This is like multiplying our coins. We just don't think about the rates. We just don't think about the value of Ethereum. You just multiply your coins. Why I say this is, when in 2017, I bought only one coin for 800 rupees. I doesn't have any platform to multiply my coin. Now I have a potential subject, a potential project called Mindtree, where I can multiply my coins with just 0.07. With just 0.07, I'm coming in. I'm multiplying today. I'm earning around 3 to 4 Ethereums, 2 to 3 Ethereums daily. So it is going to be around 120 Ethereums in 1 month.
Wow,
So
super.
you just with 0.07 as an investment. So I just wish you everybody just multiply your coins, sir. Thank you so much for your opportunity. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. We also thank Mr. Manikandan for his expertise. Let us give a very big round of applause to Mr. Manikandan.